Here's the harsh reality. Just because you have 100k followers doesn't mean you'll sell 10,000 t-shirts. I'll ship the orders manually. I'll handle the returns when they happen. I'll figure out the inventory later. Most brands don't fail because they're bad. They failed because the founder got tired before the brand got its rhythm. In the creator economy, content is your biggest marketing weapon. Not paid ads, not newspaper articles, not billboards. How do you process orders? How do you process inventory? How do you handle customer support? And how do you create content? Let me tell you how. In the part 1, we have already discussed the success stories of some content creators developing their own brands. And in this video, we will discuss how to scale your brand step by step. And we will also discuss some of the mistakes that the creators make while building their brands. So, how to scale your brand? Step 1. Make your best sellers even better. When you start scaling, the biggest temptation is to create even more products, more t-shirts, more accessories, more variations. But if you look at some successful brands closely, they often win not because they have a lot of products, but because they have some legendary products that people cannot stop talking about. Start by identifying your best-selling product. Look at the numbers. Which product is selling the most units? Which product has the most positive feedback? Which product has the least returns? And once you identify your winners, double down on them. Improve the packaging, upgrade the quality if needed, add new color options or limited editions based on the customer requests. Well, the idea is simple. Instead of spreading yourself so thin, make your best sellers so irresistible that they become the face of your brand. Step 2. Build a content engine. In the creator economy, content is your biggest marketing weapon. Not paid ads, not newspaper articles, not billboards. You already have an audience, but now you need to build a consistent system that connects your brand to the content in a natural way. Let me tell you how. Number 1. Show your brand being used in everyday life. Wear your merchandise in your YouTube videos. Drink from your brand's water bottle while gaming live. Share behind the scenes content, manufacturing tours, packaging processes, and customers' testimonials. Post user-generated content, screenshots of their happy reviews, selfies in your merch, and unboxing stories. Educate your customers on how to use your products, whether through TikTok, Instagram stories, or Reels, or even a long-form dedicated YouTube video. This content engine will make sure that even the new followers that come across your page feel a natural pull towards your brand without you shouting "buy now" all the time. Step 3. Expand your distribution channels. At first, you might be just selling through your Instagram DMs or basic Shopify page. But for scaling, you need to be there where your customers are hanging out. Here are a few ways to expand. Amazon and Flipkart. Listing your products on India's biggest marketplaces will instantly increase your reach. Yes, you'll pay commissions, but the traffic is massive. Offline pop-ups. Collaborate with malls, flea markets, or created events to set up temporary pop-up shops. A real-world touchpoint massively boosts brand credibility. Retail tie-ups. Partner with select stores that align with your brand vibe. For example, a fitness creator can partner with local gyms to sell the gym wear inside the gym as well. Upgrade your website. If you are running a simple Shopify store, invest in a better UI/UX design, more payment options, or faster checkout. These small changes can double your conversion rates. Step 4. Invest in performance marketing when ready. A lot of creators jump into paid ads too early and end up burning money. Paid ads make sense only when, number 1, you have a product that sells organically. Number 2, you have a good customer feedback and repeat buyers. And number 3, your unit economics are sorted. You know your cost price, you know your selling price, and you know your profit margins clearly. If you meet these criteria, then paid marketing can put a fuel on the fire. Start with basic Instagram or Facebook ads targeting your own followers, also known as warm audience. Later, expand into lookalike audiences. For example, keep your ads simple. Use high-quality, real-life product photos. Show user-generated content in your ads. Focus on one clear CTA, for example, buy now, learn more, etc. Initially, spend small, maybe 500 to 1000 rupees per day. Test 3 to 4 ad creatives at once and double down on whatever works. Paid marketing is not magic. It's like a magnifying glass. It magnifies what you already have, whether good or bad. Step 5. Build a strong customer community. To scale properly, start treating your customers like VIPs. Create an exclusive WhatsApp group or Discord server for your customers. There you can share early launches, giveaways, or behind-the-scene content. Number 2. Send personalized thank you notes or surprise gifts with your order. Number 3. Celebrate your customers publicly. Feature them on your Instagram page, repost their stories, or shout out your loyal buyers. The more your customers feel emotionally connected to your brand, the less you'll have to fight on the price. Brands like Culfit, Nike, or even Mama Earth didn't scale by selling products only. Instead, they scale by creating communities. And guess what? A strong community sells your next 10 products even before you launch them. Step 6. Systematize everything. Finally, if you want to build something truly scalable, something that can run even when you're asleep or on a holiday, then you must build systems. Start documenting how do you process orders, how do you process inventory, how do you handle customer support, and how do you create content. Even if it's just you and one freelancer helping you to create new SOP, that is standard operating procedures. Later, when you hire more people, a marketing assistant, an operations manager, a designer, they can follow your system and maintain quality without you being involved in every tiny decision. Scaling is not just about growing bigger, it's about growing smarter. Step 7. Stay obsessively customer focused. Finally, the best scaling secret is also the oldest one. Keep listening to your customers. When you innovate based on their feedback, you stay ahead of your competitors. Ways to stay customer obsessed. Run regular polls or questionnaires. For example, what color should we launch next? Invite top customers for a virtual feedback session. Even a 15-minute call can build a huge loyalty. Monitor reviews and DMs, not just for complaints, but to find new opportunities. For example, everyone loves our hoodies, but zippers are hard to pull, so let's fix it and launch a version 2.0. So now you're equipped with how to scale your businesses. Let's shift our focus to the mistakes the creators make while building their brands and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, getting too emotional about your first idea. When creators first launch their brand, they often get deeply attached to their first product idea or design. They tell themselves, this design is sick, everyone's gonna love it. And maybe they love it, but the hard truth, the market doesn't care about your feelings. Building a brand isn't about selling what you love, it is about selling what they love. Mistake number 2, thinking followers automatically convert into buyers. Just because you have 100k followers doesn't mean you'll sell 10,000 t-shirts. Here's the harsh reality. Followers are spectators, not customers, until you build trust beyond content. People follow you for inspiration, entertainment, or education. Buying a product, though, needs deeper trust. Mistake number 3, focusing only on the launch and not the long game. Many creators pour 200% of their energy into the launch. They announce their brands with dramatic posts, countdowns, giveaways, and then nothing after launch day, no new collections, no new storytelling, and even no community building. Result, customers lose interest. Your brand looks like one-time passion project instead of serious business. Launching is exciting. Growing quietly after the launch is where the brand is built. Mistake number 4, ignoring operations and logistics. I'll ship the orders manually. I'll handle the returns when they happen. I'll figure out the inventory later. These are the famous last words. In the first week itself, you may have 20 pending orders, delayed deliveries, and angry customers. Your side hustle becomes firefighting, and then your energy shifts from marketing to fixing small operational problems. Even if you start small, get basic systems in place. Tie up with a courier aggregator, have a clear returns and exchange policy, and maintain real-time inventory records. Mistake number 5, giving up too early. Most brands don't fail because they are bad. They fail because the founder got tired before the brand got its rhythm. The first 3 months may feel hard, slow sales, unexpected costs, uncertainty, or self-doubt. But if you survive the first few storms, the momentum compounds. Customers start recommending you, sales stabilize, and brand trust grows. Building a creator-led brand is one of the most exciting adventures today. It's a chance to convert your passion into a public movement. But it's not magic, it's not luck, it's a craft. So here's my final message to you. If you're thinking of launching your own brand, if you're even feeling a small spark inside you, don't sit on it, start it. Start messy, start scared, start uncertain, but start. Because 5 years from now, either you'll be wearing your own brand's hoodie and smiling with pride, or you'll be wearing someone else's brand, wishing that you had started back then. The choice is always yours.